Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to print eBay label 4x6. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to print eBay shipping labels that look like this on an adhesive label. How do you actually go ahead and print shipping labels that are 4x6 from eBay? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the first thing that you need to do is that before you actually purchase your shipping label, you need to make sure that the PDF format is 4x6. So once you're about to purchase the shipping label, go on the right hand side where it says print format, then click on change and then select 4x6. Afterwards, purchase the shipping label and download it. So this is what it's going to look like. It's just going to be a PDF. So click on Command P, connect to your thermal printer, and then for the paper size, change this to 4x6 as well. So once I click on print, this is what it's going to print on. It's going to print on exact formatting on this 4x6 label. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and print 4x6 shipping labels on a thermal printer using eBay labels. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.